Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 11:30 p.m. At 10:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Wheeling to near West Chicago to near Sugar Grove, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Naperville, Elgin, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Downers Grove, and Glenview. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The following is a flood advisory from the National